In this video, you will learn how to open a Halifax account first. Visit the Halifax website. Go to halifax.co.com using your web browser. Then, select Open an Account. On the homepage, look for the option to open an account or apply now for these type of account that you want to open. This could be a current account or savings account. Choose the account type. Select the type of account you'd like to open and complete the application. Fill out the online application with your personal details that include name, address, date of birth, contact details, employment details, and proof of identity. Identity verification. You'll be asked to show your identity. This can involve answering security questions or uploading additional documents, such as your driving license or passport. Agree to the terms and conditions. Review the terms and conditions on Halifax's website and their privacy policy and any other relevant information. Submit the application. After filling in the required information, confirm all details and submit your application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email or message indicating that this is the next step. This may include verifying your identity or further setting up your account. Account activation. Once your account is approved, you may need to activate your account details. You'll be able to access it online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.